Welcome back, guys. Building with Zach here, and today we are going to tune up this mower so we can get it ready for summer. We're going to change the oil, we're going to change the spark plugs, and also get a new battery because it won't start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all that. Okay, so we're going to start off by taking out the old spark plug. This is a very old engine, and I'm not even sure if they've ever been done. So it's definitely time. Oh, yeah. I don't know if that'll focus, but holy cow. Oh, there we go. Look at that, is terrible. So what we're gonna do is I took this out so we can go to the store and match it up with that number. All right, so next we're gonna get this battery off. I just got usually they're 11 millimeter, so you just loosen it and then you can take it off. There you go, and then either buy new ones or clean these. These I'm just gonna clean. Take that strap off. It should pull right out. There we go. And, oops. And then, so there's the date. I'm just gonna take this and we're gonna go buy a new one. All right, so I just got the new battery and now we're just gonna work backward. There's the new one. Then always put the positive on first. And then just snug these down. Then the negative. Super simple. Oh, simple until you drop a knot. All right, so here's the new spark plug. Then I have a gap to make sure that it's the correct gap for this. Engine, it should be at 0.035, which it's snug right there. So that's how you know that's good. I'm gonna screw it back in. There we go. Oh, I'm not prepared. My wrench is all the way over here. Okay. Then we're gonna snug it up. Just like that. And now we'll repeat the process on the other side. All right, I just wanted to show you the difference here. Here's the new spark plug compared to the old spark plug. I don't know if you can see, but that is a huge difference. So new battery and spark plugs, let's see if it starts. Wow, that is a lot better than it was. So next we're gonna change the oil, but I gotta eat some dinner first. All right, so next we're gonna be doing the oil, and for this, usually for small engines, you just need 1030. And this one takes 2 quarts, or 1.5, sorry. Usually you can just look those up on the internet. Takes you 2 seconds. A wrench to get the nut off, paper towel to check the oil, or clean it, and then an oil pan. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just warming it up, and then I'm gonna put it under a little load. And then once it's fully warm, I'm gonna drain the oil out of it. Especially since it's sat all winter, so I wanna get it really stirred up. All right, I'm gonna put you there until I get the nut off. So here goes nutting. Okay. There it is. So it's warm, so it's thin, and it's all mixed up. I would shut you off, but I don't have a hand. So And also I parked this on a slant, so it all drains out really quick. And this engine burns so much oil, it's unbelievable. Every time you cut the grass, and we do not have a big yard, you gotta put like a half a quart in it. It smokes like a train. Alright, that's about it. Alright, so as I'm draining it out, I don't know if you can see that, but let's see if I can point it out. Right there, that's all metal. So I mean, that just further proves that this engine is, you know, on its way out. I mean, it's old. So we'll see if there's anything at the bottom. Nope. Actually, whew. Let me see if I can get it. Holy cow. That's usually not a good sign. No, I'm kidding. That's actually really not good. Well, that's that. Alright, now we're just gonna put the new oil in. I'll just repeat that. Anyway, guys, oil's filled, and I found a very helpful link to see how much oil, if it's a Briggs and Stratton, how much oil your engine takes, and that link will be in the description because it basically says every engine how much oil to put in. It's very helpful. So after you put all the oil in, run it, get on a level ground, and then check the oil again, just to be sure. Anyway, guys, that's it. I hope I helped you, or if not, just had fun. And I'll see you guys in the next one.